Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply a tourist visa to Malta step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, Malta is a country in Europe and it's a Schengen country. So the process also very much similar. And first of all, in many cases you may not even need a visa to Malta if you are from a non-visa required country, but sometimes you need. So when it comes to submitting the application, like other Schengen countries, it depends upon your location. So for the purpose of this video, we'll consider the applicant is in India and how the applicant is going to submit. So guys, in front of you I have opened the High Commission of New Delhi website of Malta. Okay, so we have a link, visa advice for foreign national. So as you can see, you need to submit at Malta Visa Application Center at these locations. So basically these are VFS locations. And the process is you need to download the application form. You need to first verify if you need the visa. Once you are sure that you do need a visa, then first part is the application form. Download the application form and documentation you need to have. So you need to have like travel document, passport, recent passport size photograph, visa fee, service fee of VFS Global, travel medical insurance, supporting documents, and you can be asked for additional documents and even interview also. So visa fee similar to other Schengen countries, $80 for travel visa, as you can see. All right, so let's say the checklist for tourist visa. Okay, so we are in this VFS website. So from here we can see everything that we want. So we know that we need a short-term visa, so we'll go through that. Short stay visa, next we go for download documentation. So if I go for short stay visa, what are the options I have? I have all these options. So now I have gone for tourist visa. So for tourist visa we can see this is the overview. Visa fee we already checked the over there. This is in INR and this is in euro. Fine. And the fee VFS fee information is also there. Oh. Next is documents required. So we have already seen tourist visa, what are the documents required. You can always click on this link and find out. Oh. Photo specification, this is similar to other VFS other Schengen countries. You can click on these links and see what are the what are the specifications you must meet in order to apply for the visa. Now processing time at least 4 weeks. Wow, but again it varies, so it's hard to tell accurately. Now download forms. Malta visa application form, this is important. Field 1 to 3 as per travel document. Surname and birth, so like your birth information, nationality, gender, your status, national identity number where applicable, type of travel document, your passport type, and the passport details. Family members of EU, EA or CH citizens, Switzerland should not fill in fields 21. Okay, so others can fill this up. Employer information, purpose of the journey, additional information, biometric number of entries requested, invitation details, how you're going to support yourself. So even for online and other offline forms for Schengen countries, we have seen similar things. So now let's go back to here. So once you are done with your document, you need to book your appointment, pay the fee, visit there, submit, and if it is approved, then you are all good to go. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.